Hola Amigos, and welcome to Mexican Miniature. I'm your Mexican miniaturist, Leo. Next, we're going to be working on the living room, so why don't we take a look at all the things I've assembled for that room. I'm doing everything in 1/12 scale, and I'm trying to keep to a particular design theme, which is items that you would find in Mexican homes, as well as a home of an artist. So in them are arts and antiques, ceramics, wood, textiles, metals, flowers and plants, tiles, folk art, woven baskets. I've assembled lots of the items that I just mentioned, the textile in this beautiful textile that I'm using for the rug, and I found that as part of a purse. The rest of the pieces I have made some, like this little table here, but the rest are pieces that I purchased online, including these wonderful chairs from the 1950s. Since this is a house that was supposedly built in the 60s, it's appropriate. The Noguchi table, which I made myself. I used my Cricut to make the base, and everything's glued on here because it's these little pieces tend to fall. I made a little box, a little ashtray. There's a cup from the local coffee shop, one of those energy drinks, and some flowers. I did take a green marker and add a little green around the edge here so it looks like tempered glass. The couch is one that I bought on Etsy, beautiful Regency couch. It's a kit, and you have to put it together yourself. I made the pillows, and you do have to do the upholstery yourself as well. I've tried to add little touches like the newspaper and magazines and that sort of thing to make it look lived in, as well as the serape and a collection of serapes down here. We have plants and flowers represented. Those are themes that you see throughout Mesoamerica. The little figurine here, which is the Day of the Dead waitress, and some walking sticks with little skulls on them. So these are the items that are going in my living room. Next, let's move them in. And that was the living room to my Casa de los Sueños. Come back next time when I decorate and accessorize the dining room. And you'll get to see some of my very first attempts at making doll furniture. So until next time, adios amigos.